Welcome guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to show you guys how I managed to do my iron work using my bondo and my dentdust. So what I want to show you is how I do it. As you can see, this one came out nice and smooth. So if you want to see how I did it, what I did, keep on watching. Okay, I hope you can see. Now all you want to do is you just want to take it over like this. Okay guys, as you can see, it's cutting very nicely because it's 100% dry. Also with this thing, don't cut into it like this. Keep it smooth, keep it going. Okay guys, as you can see, this is fairly smooth. Not 100%, I still see some marks. But now I want to cut there. I don't want to cut there because with this, without the interface pad, you cannot really shape there. Like this. You cannot really make the shape without your interface pad. You're gonna make waves, and you don't want to see waves on a new car, especially when you worked on it. So I want to cut this to create my iron. I'm gonna take your dentdust and just put it everywhere. Oh shit! That mustn't happen. You don't want other dust or sand on it or anything. At least this one is alright. Okay, as you can see, it's getting there already. Okay, just a quick update. I want to show you guys this. You remember this one? That one there at the bottom? You see it's gone now. It went 100% there. So that means it's out. The bottom part, we'll cut this piece out and it will be nice. Top one, as you see what's happening there, there's where you can see your imperfections in your Bodyfiller. This makes it 100% smooth. Don't worry about that stuff. If it comes out, it's meant to come out, then you fix it afterwards. If it's a yellow high spot, fix it, microfine over it, get it sorted. But I think you guys are starting to get the picture here. I want to put primer on, and then when I sand my primer off with a 500 grit with my orbital sander and the interface pad, it will show me more. If I go through, I see a yellow problem, I can always fix it, put a little bit of primer again and resand it. Rather put primer on a bit more than just leaving it, because in the end when you put your paint on here, it won't show, and that's what you want to avoid. So don't be stingy. You can put a bit of primer again, it's okay. Just don't put over and over and over, because you're gonna sand it down again. Okay guys, I'm gonna prepare this one now, put some primer, and I'm also gonna put primer on this one as well. This one might have a bit more work to do, but it feels pretty good to me. Let's put primer, guys. Guys, I'm going to paint this to a 1.8 bar.